All right. Okay. Now, continuing with another example. So if we take a look at page 317, okay, it says that Baru, whatever his name is, borrowed $250 from a payday loan company and had to repay $275 at the end of the time that he was using the money. Okay. Now the question asks, and he has to pay it back in 15 days. So calculate the annual interest rate. Well, first of all, we got to figure out the interest paid. Like I said, basically that's all you do is you take the amount that he's got to pay back, you subtract that by the amount that he'd actually borrowed. That's $25. Okay, that's going to be his interest in 15 days. We take that and plug that in our formula, IPRT. Okay, we know I, we know P, we know T, we just don't know R. So we rewrite the formula to say I equals PT. The R then equals $25 divided by the principal, which is 250, multiplied by the 15 days. Well, 250 times 15 equals 3,750. So R is going to equal 25 divided by 3,750. If we go ahead and do that, the answer comes out to 0.006. We multiply that by 100 to get the percentage. We're only going to get 0.6%. Okay? But that's per day. We calculate to find out for a year, well, how many days in a year? There's 365. So you take the 0.6, we multiply by 365. The annual interest rate is 2.43%. Okay. That's not too bad for this payday loan. Now, the second one on page 317, if we have time, is that Hayden borrowed $400. Okay. So Hayden borrowed $400. He had to pay back $415 in 10 days. Question asks, what's the annual interest rate and what's the daily interest rate? Well, the annual, okay, first we figure out how much he's paid. So 400, so interest equals 400 minus 415. Therefore, the interest equals $15 in 10 days. We put the formula, IPRT. We got to figure out the rate. So R equals I over PT, which equals 15 divided by 400 times 10. Okay, so R equals 0.00375 times 100 gives you 0.3% per day. That's actually question B. A is the annual interest rate. You multiply that by 365. It's actually 109.5%. All right. So that's how you're going to calculate those ones. Please pay attention to the last video to see how it is done.